How to reset Tradingview password. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your Tradingview password and recover your account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Tradingview app or go to the Tradingview website, and then once you're in the app, here you have to tap on menu in the bottom right corner. Then here tap on sign in. Then here tap on email. Here tap on I forgot or can't sign in. Then here enter your username, email or phone number. Then select this I'm not a robot. Then solve the I'm not a robot puzzle. Then tap on search. Then tap on send. Then go to your email. Then refresh it. You will get a email from Tradingview like this. Open that email, scroll down, tap on reset password. Now here type your new password and then type here again to confirm, and then tap on save password. Now here it says your password has been changed successfully. Then here you can tap on this cross in the top left corner and open your Tradingview app. Then here we have changed our password, so we can tap on your cross. Then enter here your email ID or username and password and tap on sign in, and you will be signed in to your Tradingview account. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.